Hi guys, welcome to DonEuro Manila, and we are about to release this GT 5.0 converted into GT500 look. So what we did is we changed the front part of this Ford Mustang 5.0, and we put our classic paint protection film black racing stripes. So we are going to show you. There. So we did the stripes from back to front, and it's super glossy. Yan, parang mirror finish na siya. Tapos, ayan, we painted the parts. Kita nyo, pantay yung color. Pakita mo yung color nung, ayan, pantay yung color. No? So, we painted it with Chromax white. We placed the plate number in front, yan, sa GT500. Then we painted the chin part of the Shelby bumper to matte black, and then some of the parts here on the upper part of the bumper is glossy black. So if you are interested, you can visit us here at DonEuro Manila. Thank you so much.